Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if your iPad camera is showing an inverted image, you're in the right place. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix it. First, you need to go ahead and open your settings application on your iPad. Now then scroll down and go to camera that you will find between Apple Pencil and Control Center. In the camera settings, find the mirror front camera toggle, which you will find in the composition section. If it's turned on, turn it off. Now open the camera app to see if the image is correct. If it is, you're done. If the camera is still inverted, restart your iPad, and sometimes a simple restart fixes these issues. And after restarting, check the camera app again, and if the problem continues, make sure that your iPad has the latest version of iPad operating system. For that, you need to again go to Settings, then go to General, and then go to Software Update. And if there is an update available, install it. If none of these steps work, you can try resetting all settings on your iPad. This won't delete your data, but it will return all settings to their defaults. To do this, you can go to Settings and then General and select Reset. And after the reset, check your camera app one last time. And by now, the inverted camera issue should be resolved. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. I hope these steps help you fix the inverted camera on your iPad.